what is a direct democracy? The word democracy comes from the two Greek words meaning the people to rule. Under a democratic rule, the people decide what laws are passed and how the government runs. When we vote in the United States today, we cast our ballots for people who will represent our views and values when they make and vote on laws. For example, we vote for city councilors, mayors, and members of Congress. This is called a representative democracy, so we do not have a direct democracy. Democracy in ancient Greece operated differently than this model. People in some of the Greek city-states, particularly Athens, had a direct democracy. So here's what we're going to learn about our answer. This means that every citizen gathered in one place and discussed issues. Every citizen was expected to vote on every law brought before the assembly. Sometimes direct democracy is called Athenian democracy because it is so closely associated with the Greek city-state of Athens. Although every citizen had the right to vote, not every person who lived in Athens was a citizen. As a result, Athenian democracy was not quite as equal as you might think. Only free men over the age of 18 born in Athens could be citizens and vote. Women, slaves, and those men born outside the city-state did not participate in Athens' direct democracy. All right, so you're going to tell me what it actually means. I'm going to expect you to tell me that every citizen will get together and talk about issues, and that all the citizens were expected to vote for every single law, which of course took a lot of time. So how is this useful? Well, it has a lot of uses. It's useful when you have a small government or a small society, because it's easy to get everybody to vote on something and talk about it when you have enough space and you have enough time to do so. So there are times we work as a direct democracy even in the classroom because we're able to talk about something and I'll let you guys all have a vote. But obviously that can't work on everything that we do because there are some problems with this, particularly as a society gets larger. So larger societies will struggle with the time and the space needed to vote for everything. And another concern for time is that if you're just voting for stuff all day long every day or researching what you're voting for, then there's no time for other tasks. So if I were living in a direct democracy, there's no way I'd have the time to sit here and teach you and work on this because I would be busy researching laws and getting ready to vote for them and really spending all of my time just being a citizen. So we have to have the time for it. It does work when it's a small group, and a true direct democracy, you get to vote on everything if you are a citizen.